Hey guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in the contest. You have to find a hidden question in a video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Winner has the opportunity to get his or query solved through direct discussion with me or in comments. They can also ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 24 hours of the.
Today's video I will show you a very interesting experiment. First made a diagram. I am experimenting with matchstick and a lens. There is a lens and matchstick experiment. So when you apply the magnifying glass or lens, any kind of concave lens into the matchstick, oops, my ballpoint is done. Now try this one. So this is a short pen. I am making this a short pen. How it is what I am making right now, but I am folding my table around these two pans. I am not sure which it is of my short pan. Now I am show you how to make this short pan. First remove tape. So little bit tape removing for showing, and after I am sure there's a tape in too much tape. I am wind it. So for covering the all electronic inside, previously I destroying a lighter, and inside the lighter spark plug, piezoelectric source, full name, which one I am used right there. So it is a too much tape, so it is not possible to I can remove it all tape, but I am sure it is I am remove all the tape first and show out is what. So I find too much tape. Now I am tell right there main hiding components is like there. So I am mine paper part now seen internal experiment. So first I take a punch ball point, I touch this in a pin so it is not pushable and remove the this one lever and place this lever, this electric piezoelectric shot. This piezoelectric disc for is not too big, it is not installed, so I touch this pen with this shape and easily mount and secure with tape and bend at this point. Then if you pull this, it is receive a very high shot. It is this plant you can use for your plants, but keep in mind pull more and more times, so it is dangerous. When you pull one time, it is give a very huge shot, but never pull continuously. That it is maybe tilled. So there are other experiments for shot, making a shot. So these are all electronics. I am showing example this time. So previously I decided to make a plant setup, but it is not made. So I am exactly tell you. There is a transformer. So you can see in my many videos these transformers. This is a step down transformer, but I am use a reverse. So 220 input, 220 I mean 230 to 50 volts, 230 volts input and 50 volts output, 12 volts 2 watts. So these are 220 input, 50 volts wire, and this is a 12 volts 1 ampere output wires. So I am use a reverse for step up, but the output when I applied 1 ampere 12 volt input, so output receive 220 volt but low current. We can use this type of transformer, not an inverter transformer. If you use an inverter transformer, they receive also high current and high voltage, and high current may be tilled, so it is not used. So when I connected it, but otherwise I previously telling in the video my multimeter is not accurate, I think. So multimeters are lots of days I am working on chemicals related projects, so I am never use multimeter too much, so it might be some issues inside the multimeter, so there's not a accurate right now. Some sorts of things like this battery It's a 9-volt battery. I am using the previous projects 9-volt power plus. So there are the same two wires. No matter polarity, there is a AC. Battery are DC, but there are transformer need in AC configuration. It means no positive negative. When I am rubbing wires, you can see in I am rubbing this wire. You can see in multimeter the voltage are 100 volts, but then my multimeter is not accurate. So voltage is right. There I am putting my wires with AC configuration, so their battery are DC. So that's why I am switching with my hand, not a transistor base. So you cannot use a transistor. So if you push one button, single button, you can connect a button, push button, you can push, your fan receive nasty shot. When you connect a transistor is automatically switching. So their can may be killed. So never use transistor. Transistor are highly switching frequency. So it is switched thousands of times in 1 second. So that's why there's a huge danger. So I am seen a lot of searching on internet. There says transformer and transistor based. So never make transistor based circuit. So you can plant your friends, never kill your friends. So there's a transistor switching certain are mostly high efficiency, which might be not a simple shot but a huge bad shot. When I touching it, for example, so it is not matter. Otherwise, you can hide for some threads and take a long wires that to these wires and short wires to long wires connect these two wires. This one wire you can use these two, and these two and these two. There's a not matter. All wires in same amount of voltage input and same output efficiency is same. Or you can use a twine to insulate with paper, tape, and connect this wire to bat or twine, and twine mount with double-sided tape your end. And twine front side is open. And connect these two wires to twine and these two wires for the two long wire, one long wire connected to the battery, and battery at the end to push button and push button to other battery. Other side of the transformer. And then push button mount with your spindle with double side tape. When you can handshake your friend and other hand push the button, this receive nasty shot. Keep in mind your own body is dried and you own is under shoes condition. So otherwise you can receive also shot. Now try quick example. Just removed the wires. So it is not good idea, but I am trying for. So it is not less turn but not. So there's actually a shot. It might be shot. Even if you highly shot. Prank purpose, not stealing purposes. You can with the next video very soon. By the way, you can prank your friends with low turn transformer or not high turn. So you can meet them next video very soon, and you can use a low turn transformer for your friends prank, not high turn. So this is a low turn 220-volt transformer. Otherwise, I am operate directly with 9-volt battery without any switching source. So this can output some 60 and 50 volts output AC. It is not a dangerous with less current. If you use inverter transformer or MOSFET and 2SC2500 and 1307 driver circuit, it may be dangerous. Never make inverter, only made for short plant. Never use as inverter circuit. And this video is done, and we come very soon our next video. And by the way, want to test how many appliances we take a transformer. How many appliances we take a transformer? Question is, so not matter this type of transformer. I previously see tiny fried transformers and bigger. If you can ask, tell me answer with bigger and smaller transformer. It is not matter transformer size. You can tell me. Question is, you can tell me which devices we obtain and which salvage with transformers. No matter which type of transformer is.